Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make video on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see plus icon add button. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the section where you can create video. Over here you can see 10 minutes, you can see 60 seconds and 15 seconds as well. You can choose any of the duration as you want, and now finally click on red circles on the screen and you'll be able to make video successfully. So basically this is how you can make video on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.